Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again here today. Got another unboxing for you. Maybe Angel's gonna help. So this is the Monoprice 10-inch low profile subwoofer. And I don't know the model number, I'll put it in the description. I just know it's a 10-inch low profile subwoofer, alright? So, see here they got this kind of standard. This is decent foam, just on some cardboard. Nothing awesome, but it works. Now I got this on sale for $130, and it looks like I opened it from the bottom. But this is where the label was, so see what accessories are. Now, I got this for my living room setup. I'll post a picture of that on the video. Here's the holders. This is for mounting it or installing it on the ground upright rather than on its feet, which you'll see here in a bit. And in my living room, I have a little system with an old 8-inch Monoprice subwoofer that came with their like $70 out of the way with their $70 home theater package, so you know it's not very great, and yeah, it kind of sucks. I'm hoping this is better. Right, little subwoofer cable, very handy, especially if you're going to install this flat. Put that out of the way. More padding. Looking for a power cable. Maybe it's in this package over here, so we'll push this out of the way. That's an okay box. I give it a C, maybe a C plus if I'm feeling generous. All right, so here's the subwoofer. This is one of those rectangular low profile subwoofers. My sister has a Dayton Audio one that I got for her. It's actually pretty good. I mean, it's more than enough for what she needs. I don't want her to start tearing this bag apart. There we go. Get off this tape. There we go. I'm going to roll this up, set it on its side, see if we can. No. Oh, here's the manual, by the way. I'm not doing this in very good order, but it is what it is. You know what? I'm gonna cut this tape. It's fighting me. It's fighting you. Just cut it. I'm trying to do my best not to just absolutely destroy this bag or the subwoofer. All right. I still don't see. There we go. Okay, I better put my knife away. I know I'm a little crazy with that knife there. All right, making progress. I am not loving this bag. This is kind of ridiculous. I can't remember if I got this used or not. I thought it was new. I'll post it on the screen here. It's packaged like it was used. All right, so there's your port. It's got a little bit of bracing there. It's a pretty good weight. Oh yeah, that's heavy. Oh, yep, here's the power cord. Man. Non-detachable power cord. Why Monoprice? Why? Now where I'm gonna put this, I'm sure you saw, I think I'm gonna take off these brackets, which looks like they just come off. Standard screwdriver, because I don't really need them. I'll have to say that's okay. They're kind of going to be in my way. I'll probably use those foots that you saw earlier. This is barely a 10-inch. I mean, I think that's being generous. So 10 inches is supposed to be, you know, include this. To me, 10 inches should maybe include the surround part here, but certainly include the driver For most, it also includes the attachment points here as well, the whole thing. Yeah, that's a pretty tiny driver. I'm not sure. We'll see. If I don't like it, I will return it. If it doesn't do what I need it to do, power, I'm guessing this is the, that's probably power, main power, and on, auto, off. In here, I use it on auto. I'll pick up so you can see it better. Okay, so here's your LFE in. Is that an out? I'm not sure what that is. That might be kind of handy actually in my setup. But here's your high level in, speaker level in. That's what I'm gonna have to use because my amplifier, it's the SSW-10 or SMSL DA8S. I knew I'd get it. Anyway, it does not have subwoofer output, and so I'm gonna have to use these low level or high level inputs. That's what I'm using right now. Works just fine. Yeah. Nice chunky feet. So the reason I got this one is because it's a tight squeeze in there, and I'm hoping that it'll provide better bass than what I'm currently using in my setup there, and still kind of be hidden out of the way. Stay tuned for more on that. Perhaps maybe even a review of this subwoofer if I think it's worth it. But I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to like and subscribe and share and check out my Patreon. And buy me a cup of coffee. Remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap. Now I'm gonna go install this bad boy. First things first though, I'm taking off those stupid brackets here. Shouldn't be too hard. Why are there 4 RCA jacks? We're gonna find out. Okay. Gently.